ग्रेजुअली हमारी फर्टिलिटी रेट गिर रही है। धीरे धीरे फर्टिलिटी रेट इतनी कम हो जाएगी कि हम पॉपुलेशन कम होने लग जाएगी।
So can you please throw some light on what all treatments exist and at what stage should people approach?
Right. So once a person feels that 1.5-2 साल हो गए and I'm not able to conceive, they should select a right IVF specialist
Okay.
whom they should go. Once they go to a IVF specialist, वैसे तो बहुत सारे टेस्ट होते हैं बट एक सिंपल टेस्ट होता है जो फर्टिलिटी के बारे में बताता है, which is called AMH score.
AMH.
The most critical aspect of IVF is the lab.
Is the lab.
Yes. So in the lab, you need to identify the right trained embryologist, which is lacking in India at the moment.
Male infertility भी तो एक high percentage contributor होगा overall because I think
significant contributor.
You misunderstanding रहती है generally, you know, females are more in focus probably. I was reading 40-50% cases में male का issue होता है.
Male का issue होता है to identify hormones.
Right.
And that is equally important to be selected. You can easily with a low quality sperm, you can still do the normal birth through the ART route.
So what are the key factors which are leading to increase in fertility issues, especially in India?
Number one, the reason for delayed is delayed marriages.
Adoption rates में आपको फर्क दिखाई दे रहा है?
15-20% of couple, as a rough estimate today, needs some kind of assistance. ये जो problem है ये young couples में आएगी.
Hello everybody, welcome to the show. Now we all know that India as a country is growing in almost everything. Our GDP is growing, our technology capabilities are growing, but there is one thing which is falling. ये क्या है? The one thing that is falling in India is fertility rate. The total fertility rate of India has dropped alarmingly from a high of 6 in 1950 to 1.9 in 2021. What this means is कि इंडिया में पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ अब कम हो रही है. पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ को लेके कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि ये बहुत डेंजरस है, बट आज वी हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट ऑन द शो हु विल टेल अस व्हाई हैविंग एडिक्वेट पॉपुलेशन इज आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट एंड व्हाट इज कॉजिंग दिस ड्रॉप इन फर्टिलिटी इन इंडिया. आई हैव विद मी डॉक्टर सोमेश मित्तल, who is the CEO of Art Fertility, a multi-center IVF chain. Hi, Dr. Somesh. Welcome to Pod Shots with JB.
Hi, Jatin. It's all my pleasure.
Yeah, it's wonderful to have you on the show. And as I was discussing with our audience, India has been growing as a country, but there is one metric which has been falling. And that one metric is total fertility rate. And you at Art Fertility are trying to help Indians solve this acute problem of fertility. So ये fertility की इतनी acute problem क्या है और क्यों हो रही है ये?
So Jatin, it's a very relevant point and I think today's situation where a country is, एक तरफ हम बात करते हैं कि 1.4 billion, but the problem is gradually हमारी fertility rate गिर रही है. Replacement rate अगर हम मेंटेन रखना चाहते हैं तो 2.1 होनी चाहिए. मतलब
इंडिया का 2.1 फर्टिलिटी रेट भी होना चाहिए.
करेक्ट.
ओके.
ताकि जो हमारी 1.4 बिलियन है वो 1.4 बिलियन तो रहे.
राइट.
मोमेंट इट स्टार्ट्स टू ड्रॉप बिलो दैट,
राइट,
हमारी पॉपुलेशन गिरने लग जाएगी.
अच्छा.
You have heard of Germany, you have heard of Japan, all those places where the problem today is birth नहीं हो रही है. And they're going in the other reverse direction of saying they're paying people to say, you know, incentivizing them for having more birth.
कि I come here, either you're paying people to have like more children, or you're calling people from outside कि आप आइए यहाँ पे and you let's say domicile yourself in our countries and work in our countries.
Correct.
Right.
So आज से fast forward 10-15 साल बाद we will also start to have the same problem.
कि इंडिया में लोग कम पड़ जाएंगे.
करेक्ट. धीरे धीरे फर्टिलिटी रेट इतनी कम हो जाएगी कि हम पॉपुलेशन कम होने लग जाएगी. एंड यू कैन सी इट. आज के दिन में भी देखो तो 20-30 साल पहले 5-6 बच्चे थे.
राइट.
ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स एंड अदर्स, मल्टीपल किड्स. देन व्हेन वी वर देयर अराउंड 10-15 इयर्स बैक, वो हम दो हमारे दो वाला जो कॉन्सेप्ट आया.
करेक्ट.
बट टुडे इफ यू सी इन द मेट्रो स्पेसिफिकली इन अर्बन, everyone is preferring more or less सिंगल चाइल्ड कॉन्सेप्ट आना शुरू हो गया,
Right, right,
एंड दे आर हैप्पी विद दिस.
right,
So I think gradually things are changing.
right.
So that's the problem. Fertility is a bigger problem. अभी वो टाइम बॉम्ब की तरह है जो अभी बर्स्ट नहीं हुआ है, बट इट विल बिकम ए मेजर इश्यूज एंड अवेयरनेस भी बढ़ रही है इसकी.
तो इसमें लेट्स से इफ अ कंट्री हैज लेस चिल्ड्रन और लेस यंग पीपल, लाइक इंडिया प्राइड्स इटसेल्फ इन सेइंग दैट 65% ऑफ आवर पॉपुलेशन इज अंडर द एज ऑफ 35 इयर्स, बट अगर लेट्स से रिप्लेसमेंट रेट गिर रहा है तो इसका मतलब ये है कि ऑन वन साइड जो लॉन्जिविटी है वो बढ़ रही है, सो पीपल आर लिविंग लॉन्गर, सो देयर विल बी लेस पीपल टू टेक केयर ऑफ द एल्डरली.
Absolutely.
Is that something also a phenomenon
So
that
if you
you've
see
seen?
the pyramid,
Yeah.
हमारे उसमें lower portion, it's a very positive one because ऊपर पतला है, मतलब ओल्डर एज वाले लेसर हैं और नीचे उसको टेक केयर करने वाले
वो ज्यादा है. Right.
65% what you're saying.
Right.
But just imagine if it becomes the other way around.
Right.
तो टिप पे खड़े होंगे with all these older ones. हमारी वीकनेस भी यही है कि हम पॉपुलेशन ज्यादा है और हमारी स्ट्रेंथ भी यही है. सो द इम्पोर्टेंस इज हाउ डू वी कीप ए राइट बैलेंस.
Right.
आई डोंट मीन दैट वी हैव मोर चिल्ड्रन,
Yeah.
बट बिलो दैट रिप्लेसमेंट रेट इज डेंजरस.
That should be maintained.
Correct.
So tell us about, let's say, art fertility. So you are leading art fertility, and art fertility pe you are helping people, let's say, have children, right, through various technologies, and we would like to learn about that. So tell us about what is the difference that art fertility is making. IVF की market हम सब जानते हैं कि बढ़ रही है. It's a $1 billion market, probably set to go to $4 billion in the next 5-6 years. So how are you approaching this reproduction techniques at art fertility?
So Jatin, before answer you on that,
Yeah.
I'll tell you a little bit about myself.
Yeah.
So मैं एक oncologist, trained oncologist हूँ.
Oh.
फिर मैंने मैनेजमेंट किया और इस फील्ड में आके मैंने मल्टीपल हॉस्पिटल्स में सुपर स्पेशलिटी में काम किया.
अच्छा.
Now why I am telling you this is I am a trained oncologist super specialty
Okay.
and I worked in multiple hospitals,
Right.
higher end hospitals.
Right.
पर 2 साल पहले जब मैंने IVF में आके इसको करने का सोचा, believe me, I was knowing almost 0% of what IVF is all about
As a concept.
as a concept.
Okay.
I knew
Right.
test tube baby जो हम सुनते रहते हैं वो सब था,
Right,
but
right.
in reality I was not knowing much. And being a doctor, अगर मेरे को इतनी
आपको
अवेयरनेस
नहीं
नहीं
पता है,
है
हाँ.
तो you can imagine 1.4 billion population.
Right.
So basic problem ही fertility IVF सेक्टर की ये है कि अवेयरनेस among medical professionals ही इतनी कम है,
अच्छा.
leave alone the normal people.
Right.
तो IVF जो है इट्स अ वेरी न्यू ब्रांच. 40-50 साल पहले ही ये नई मेडिकल की फील्ड डेवलप हुई है. vis-a-vis ऑल अदर ब्रांचेस
जो
कार्डियक एंड अदर्स वो सालों से चलता
आ रहा है, लोगों को पता है.
तो नाउ ये फील्ड इतनी ज्यादा रैपिडली चेंज हो रही है कि वॉट एवर वॉज रेलिवेंट 2 years बैक और 3 years बैक मे नॉट बी राइट. इसमें टेक्नोलॉजीज आ रही हैं, न्यू मेडिकेशंस आ रही हैं, प्रोटोकॉल जो पहले फॉलो होते थे वो सब चेंज हो रहे हैं. एवरीथिंग इज चेंजिंग. On top of that, because it was a very small segment, best clinicians were not opting
For
till
this field.
4-5 years back as a full-time specialty.
I see.
So मैं गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट हूँ, गायनेकोलॉजी भी
also,
करता हूँ,
हाँ.
साथ में मैं ये भी कर लेता हूँ.
अच्छा. Okay.
At least in India level, this is where it was.
Right.
So that is where the stage of IVF till 3-4-5 years back was.
Right. Right.
It was one of the subspecialties.
Right.
मल्टीपल हॉस्पिटल्स में चलती है और छोटा मोटा कोई स्टैंड अलोन कोई खोलता है, बट वो गायनेकोलॉजी भी करता है, वो डिलीवरी भी करता है, वो सिजेरियन भी करता है
और वो ये भी करता है.
स्पेशलिस्ट भी है.
अच्छा.
So
Okay.
like that it is. So from there it is now very rapidly changing today. So that's
Right.
where it is.
Right. No, so this is beautiful, right? So you have experience as an oncologist, administration of hospitals, और अब आप एक reproduction, let's say facility, अगर हम कह सकते हैं, तो you're driving that, right?
Correct.
तो art fertility में ऐसा क्या difference आप लाना चाहते हैं? What is the landscape of IVF industry that you see, and where are you operating in that landscape, and what difference are you trying to make?
So Art Fertility Clinics जो as a chain है, this chain is originated from western side.
Okay.
So the leaders and the brain behind it are set of doctors
Yeah.
who were trained in Brussels.
Okay.
And the mecca of IVF,
Okay.
from where entire research even today and all these things comes from there.
Right.
So from there the trained people, they came down, and Middle East they opened up 3 or 4 centers
In the Middle East.
in the Middle East.
Okay.
The results and the technology and research, everything is superb. And from there, now after they succeeded there, they wanted to come down to India.
Right.
And now India, we started somewhere 3 years back.
Yeah.
During the time of COVID.
And you have 10 centers?
Correct. Now we
Right.
have 10. We started with 6. We have expanded to 10.
Okay.
And we are mainly around metros.
Metros.
So that's what we are. Delhi, Gurgaon,
Yeah.
Mumbai, Ahmedabad.
So all the predictable metros art is present.
Correct.
Yeah? Okay.
So that's where we are. What we do is we actually live completely clinical science oriented. So our strength lies in technology and our clinical nature.
Okay.
So everything is around that, and we are too dependent on latest research. We are up to date as what is latest. In our own field, in last 1.5 years, we have changed protocols based on today's research and today's technology.
So the research happens in the Middle East or the Brussels, जहाँ पे आप कह रहे हैं?
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
So wherever our clinics are, we do research.
Right.
Research is our backbone.
Right.
Now, since we have touched this point on research,
Right.
I can tell you that in India, we follow Westerns. We don't have our own research.
That's not changing?
Even today.
Okay.
So what I started to do is we are doing our own research.
Right.
So that India's subcontinent people need to have a research from our populations. Our genetic make is different.
Right.
Our living styles are different. Our food habits are different. Our pollution related environmentals are different. So our outcomes, our needs are different than what a Western population is. However, since we do not do a good quality research at India as a large,
We end up aping the West.
correct.
Okay. So that is
what-
prevalent in IVF also, and you guys are trying to change it.
Yes. So now we
Okay.
do on our research. Based on those, we want to change the protocols.
I see.
And last 1.5 years, we have done that significantly, and we can see a positive trend. in it.
So tell us, Dr. Sumesh, tell us about the various kinds of stages that probably a couple goes through, and what all options open up for, let's say, these people who want to avail assisted reproductive techniques, right? So can you please throw some light on what all treatments exist and at what stage should people approach?
Perfect.
Yeah.
So basically, in a very layman's language,
हाँ.
normally marriage होने के बाद अगर 1.5-2 साल ट्राई करने के बाद if कंसीव नहीं होता है, those are the candidates who needs to be seen by IVF specialist.
Correct.
अब IVF specialist प्रैक्टिकली स्पीकिंग हमें वो सेलेक्ट करना चाहिए जो फुल टाइम IVF का काम करता है.
मेरा ये क्वेश्चन एक और था, क्या IVF की स्पेशलाइजेशन मेडिसिन में भी अवेलेबल है?
यस.
Okay.
देयर इज अ स्पेशलाइजेशन, बट स्पेशलाइजेशन क्योंकि अपकमिंग फील्ड है एट इंडिया लेवल.
Okay.
यूरोपियन वर्ल्ड में देयर इज अ फुल फ्लेज्ड कोर्स
Course.
which everyone has to undergo.
I see. Okay.
In India also there is an super specialized course called MCH, like we have in neurosurgery, cardiology.
Yeah.
Certain colleges have started doing it.
Right.
Like AIMS does it, Ramchandra in South
ठीक
does
है.
it.
So one should meet such a professional.
However,
Right.
in India, even now, you can go ahead and do something for 1 month, 2 months, 3
And
months.
claim that.
Claim that you are there and you are allowed to do it, right?
Yeah.
But good portion is with the new ART law which just came in 2
Right.
years back.
Yeah.
They have become little stringent,
Little stringent.
and I think gradually it is changing.
I think transparency is also increasing. People want to know what kind of doctor you go to.
Correct.
Right.
So once a person feels that 1.5-2 साल हो गए
हाँ.
and I'm not able to conceive, they should select a right IVF specialist
Okay.
whom they should go. Once they go to a IVF specialist, वैसे तो बहुत सारे टेस्ट होते हैं, बट एक सिंपल टेस्ट होता है जो फर्टिलिटी के बारे में बताता है, which is
Right.
called AMH score.
AMH.
Correct.
Okay.
It's a hormone,
Right.
right? That hormone tells you what is your ovarian quality.
This is for the woman.
वुमेन के.
Yeah.
एंड सेम एक मेल के लिए भी होता है, वो
Yeah.
टेस्ट करते हैं, दोनों का चेक करके हमें ये पता चलता है कि रीजन क्या है.
Okay.
Once a reason has been identified, then it becomes a little easy because you can have a plan in place what needs to be done.
Right.
However, another important thing is it should be customized to that person. Today what happens is, why I said that कि go to a right IVF specialist.
Yeah.
बाकी सब वो सेम प्रोटोकॉल सबके में लगाएंगे.
सबका एक ही है.
वो सेम उसमें 60% ऑफ द टाइम वो ठीक निकल जाते हैं.
अच्छा.
बट यू मिस इट इन 40% ऑफ द टाइम.
राइट.
सो यू नीड टू चूज अ राइट IVF स्पेशलिस्ट.
क्या डिफरेंस होता है ये? व्हाट इज दैट फाइन डिफरेंस? कस्टमाइजेशन किस चीज का होता है?
कस्टमाइजेशन होगा कि आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ ए प्रॉब्लम.
राइट.
सो नाउ लेट अस से मेरा AMH कम है.
ठीक है.
अब AMH कम होने के कारण कई हो सकते हैं. नाउ यू नीड टू करेक्ट दोस प्रॉब्लम. रूट कॉज रादर देन करेक्टिंग द रूट कॉज. वो सब में एक ही चीज है कि आओ ये दवाइयां लगा लो और ये कर लो,
ये खा लो,
यू नो, ये खा के इससे शुरू हो जाओ, स्टिमुलेशन करते हैं, ये करते हैं. सो I think that is the wrong approach.
Right.
If someone has a thyroid problem, for example, you need to correct those.
Yeah.
Obesity problem है, पहले उसको correct करोगे.
Correct.
But you will not just jump into a final conclusion कि सबको एक ही चीज दे देना है. So you can't give everyone the same prescription. So that is why customization is very, very key.
Important.
Yes.
Right.
So once a person is selected for that, you start on a treatment based on that. ट्रीटमेंट मोडालिटी बहुत हैं. एक नेचुरल है कि जिसमें हम बता देते हैं उसे कि आप ये चीजें अपनी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर लीजिए, पीपल कैन गेट थ्रू इट.
राइट.
सपोज गॉड फॉरबिडन उससे नहीं होता.
दिस इज ओनली कंसल्टेटिव बेस्ड.
करेक्ट.
कंसल्ट विद पीपल एंड
कंसल्ट, आइडेंटिफाई द कॉजेस, एंड इफ इट इज क्यूरेबल विदाउट एनी
देन वेल
इंटरवेंशन, वेल एंड गुड, एंड वी टेक केयर ऑफ दोस. इफ इट इज नॉट, देन उसके अलग अलग रूट्स हैं, प्रोसीजर्स के प्रोसेसेस हैं, वो हम बताते हैं. एंड देन वंस दैट पर्सन अंडरगोज दैट ट्रीटमेंट,
राइट,
नेक्स्ट स्टेज इज there is a pickup, what we call it.
Yeah.
So पहले दवाइयाँ लगती हैं 10-12 दिन. नॉर्मल IVF साइकिल जो होती है उसमें आइडेंटिफाई किया जिसको IVF होना है बाई चांस, उसको 10 से 11 दिन की एक मेडिसिन लगती हैं, इंजेक्शंस, जो इंसान एक्चुअली अपने आप ही सेल्फ एडमिनिस्टर करता है घर.
अच्छा. ओके.
एंड देन वो 2 से 3 बार हमारे पास आता है उस ड्यूरेशन में, जस्ट टू फॉलो अप कि सब एग क्वालिटी ठीक चल रही है, ओवरीज ठीक चल रही है, नहीं चल रही. देन एट 10th day or 11th day, the person on a daycare basis goes to procedure room.
Okay.
It's a minor OT kind of a thing, but a good quality OT should be there with pollution and other not being there. So in that they go and they'll take out certain eggs.
Okay.
So 6 to 8 eggs निकालते हैं.
Right.
So ladies का egg निकाल लिया.
Right.
Same time पे husband जो होता है वो sperm को देता है.
Correct.
So on that day sperm is there.
Right.
So they clean up the sperms वगैरह.
Right.
और इधर से एग्स जो गए हैं उसको इमीडिएटली वहाँ पास बॉक्स के थ्रू एक लैब होती है, एम्ब्रियोलॉजी लैब.
अच्छा.
आई विल कम टू एम्ब्रियोलॉजी लैब लेटर बिकॉज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेगमेंट.
ओके.
सो नाउ एम्ब्रियोलॉजी लैब में जो एम्ब्रियोलॉजिस्ट होते हैं वो आपके एग्स को चेक करते हैं और एग्स और स्पर्म्स को फ्रीज करते हैं.
करेक्ट.
सो वंस दे फ्रीज इट एंड कीप इट एंड देन दे पुट इट, दे कॉल इट डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजी. एक होता है कि पेट्री डिश में डाला, नॉर्मल सिनेरियो में एग्स पड़े हुए हैं, यहाँ से खूब सारे स्पर्म्स अपने आप तैर के जाएंगे and whichever is the best will get connected.
Right.
The second thing is which is the word called ICSI, right? ICSI is they call it ICSI, ICSI.
Right.
It has a full form, but in a very simple language, you inject, take the sperm in a syringe.
Okay.
And inject it inside the egg.
Okay.
So what needs to be done naturally through that which I said.
Right.
It's a natural way of sperm going and getting attached to the egg.
Right.
In this, you manually pick up the right sperm.
Right.
A good
and you make
quality
that happen.
sperm. Yeah. And then you push it inside the egg.
Understood.
So then you put a good quality sperm into a good quality egg. Okay. Now when they both join together, after certain days, they become your embryo.
And this is done with a very high degree of precision, I'm sure.
That's where I said I'll come to the lab again.
So that's the lab.
Very important.
Yeah. Okay.
I think to me, the most critical aspect of IVF is the lab.
Is the lab?
Yes.
So क्या होता है लैब में ऐसा?
So I'll tell you about lab. Now let me just finish this. So once a lab में एम्ब्रियो वगैरह बन गया,
ठीक है,
गुड क्वालिटी एम्ब्रियो, बाद में उसकी भी एक वेरियस टेक्नोलॉजीज हैं जो बताऊंगा. उसमें से राइट एम्ब्रियो, तुमने 5-6 एम्ब्रियो बनाए, राइट, उसमें से जो बेस्ट है उसको बेस्ट कैसे, उसके भी रीजंस हैं, उसको लेते हो. आफ्टर सर्टेन डेज यू कॉल द मदर अगेन एंड यू पुश दैट एग आर्टिफिशियली इनटू द यूट्रस एट अ प्रिसाइज पॉइंट. ओके. देयर इज अ पॉइंट वेयर यू नीड टू इंजेक्ट इट बैक.
ओके.
सो नाउ you push that and it's like a normal embryo which has got attached there.
Understood.
Then it is like 14 days later, like normal pregnancy में होता है.
Right.
You check those slide पे जो check करते हैं pregnant हुए या नहीं हुए. Those are slide tests. उसमें test में positive आता है या नहीं आता है. Positive आता है तो then it goes the normal route.
Right.
इसके बाद भी कुछ चीजें होती हैं, but this is normally a patient which goes through. So patient has to actually come to the hospital 3 to 4 times
over a course of 4 to 5 weeks.
Yes,
4 to 5 weeks.
Yeah. Absolutely, that's
okay. And then the process is over.
करेक्ट, देन द प्रोसेस इज ओवर।
Understood.
2-3 महीने के लिए फिर रेगुलर फॉलोअप्स वंस इन अ मंथ बुलाते हैं, जस्ट टू सी एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग फाइन। मीनवाइल देन वी हैंड इट ओवर टू द राइट गायनोकोलॉजिस्ट,
Right.
बेस्ड ऑन द पेशेंट्स
Right.
कंफर्ट कहाँ का है वो क्या।
लोकेशन, कंफर्ट, दिस दैट।
Yes.
वंडरफुल। सो अब आप बताइए कि लैब का स्पेशलिटी क्या है?
So I'll
व्हाट इज
tell
सो
you-
एक्सोटिक अबाउट दिस लैब?
Yes, so the lab is the only place in my mind beyond this doctor knowledge which needs to be ascertained. And why I'm emphasizing on this more is at India level, there is less focus being given by good institutes or clinics on the lab aspect. Lab needs some investment in terms of finances, one-time investment.
Okay.
In the lab, you have one, you need to identify the right trained embryologist, which is lacking in India at the moment.
ट्रेन्ड एम्ब्रोलॉजिस्ट आर लैकिंग।
करेक्ट,
कितने
क्वालिटी
India में?
नहीं है लोग,
हैं।
लेकिन इसका ना प्रॉपर कोर्स इतना ज्यादा अच्छा हो नहीं रहा है कहीं।
इंडिया में
Correct.
Okay.
I have seen, because see, I have been lucky to have seen
both the sides.
Correct.
Yeah.
European sides and
Yeah.
Indian sides. I think embryology side we need to gear up long. अभी हो क्या रहा है कि अभी तक क्या है, फ्रीलांसिंग एम्ब्रियोलॉजिस्ट भी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं।
Freelancing, okay.
विच मीन्स
On
आज
call.
पिकअप है,
हाँ.
उस दिन वो आ जाएंगे, तुम्हारे यहाँ बैठ के बनाएंगे, कुछ करेंगे।
हाँ.
द गुड वंस, राइट? मैकेनिकली दे आर गुड,
अच्छा।
but they're technically they are not that sound.
Right.
They can do it all this work.
Yeah.
But technology wise they are okay, but they
Okay.
don't understand from the brain. They have not understood.
So they are not as well trained or as experienced.
Not well trained.
Trained.
Correct.
And they don't do this full time?
They do it full time or no? Many of the hospitals, the clinics, they work on a part time basis. Means मैं embryologist हूँ, मैं यहाँ भी हूँ, मैं वहाँ भी हूँ, मैं
अच्छा,
वहाँ भी
एक ही
हूँ।
जगह hop कर रहे हैं
Correct.
वो, हाँ.
Hop करते रहता है।
Right.
In that you don't get
But
the
करते एम्ब्रोलॉजिस्ट का ही काम है।
करते embryologist का ही काम है, but
Right.
hopping वाले हैं।
Hopping
तो
वाले।
they are not full time there.
Yeah.
See, embryologist जो embryo है ना, is like a 1-day old baby. So you have seen the babies, because we see the baby when it is born, neonatology units में,
Yeah.
वो IV line के साथ
Yeah,
पड़े हुए,
yeah.
कितना scary सा होता है,
Right,
डर
right,
लगता है।
right. हाँ.
So now just imagine this is 1-day old egg,
Yeah.
embryo.
Yeah.
It is 9 months prior to that,
Right.
and it has life.
It has life.
Yes, it is alive.
Yeah.
So now, for this, in the embryology lab, there are boxes, and in my crude language, I say there are छोटे-छोटे boxes होते हैं, like a ICU bed, you know. This is the bed for that embryo, 1-day old embryo.
अच्छा,
So
okay.
it's a life of 1 day.
Right.
So now वहाँ पे वो लेटा हुआ है।
हाँ.
उसको जरूरत क्या है कि उसको जरूरत है, जैसे मदर के वूम में जो पेट में होता है,
हाँ.
यूट्रस में होता है, तो उसको ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत पड़ती है, उसको पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर की जरूरत है,
हाँ.
उसका राइट मोमेंट पे न्यूट्रिशन मिलना, ये सब जरूरत है।
हाँ.
एंड ये बड़ी नेचुरल न्यूट्रिशन है कि ऑक्सीजन ठीक होना चाहिए, पोल्यूशन कम होना चाहिए। इन सब के लिए जो बेड है, वो बेड एक इंक्यूबेटर टाइप में पड़ा होता है। उसके अंदर छोटे छोटे बेड्स हैं। उस बेड में राइट टेम्परेचर 24/7
वो मेंटेन करना है।
करेक्ट।
हाँ.
उसमें राइट ऑक्सीजनेशन मेंटेन करनी है।
राइट.
सारा कुछ जो चीज चाहिए, उसके न्यूट्रिशन सब कुछ चाहिए।
ये एम्ब्रियोलॉजिस्ट का काम है।
करेक्ट।
Okay.
और इसके लिए साथ में एम्ब्रियोलॉजिस्ट के साथ जरूरत होती है वो
इकोसिस्टम।
gadgets.
हाँ.
Now those gadget you can have a range of 1 lakh and you can have a range of 50 lakh.
Okay. That's the lab.
That is each gadget. of it.
gadget,
So,
yeah.
so embryology lab can be made in 40-50 lakhs,
Okay.
20 lakh also. It could
Okay.
be taking 2 crores also.
So that's the difference.
That's the difference. And your result changes based on the quality of embryology.
Because
lab
that's the
significantly.
ecosystem that is being provided to that 1-day old embryo.
Absolutely. Yes.
उसका मतलब सस्टेनेंस उस पे डिपेंडेंट है।
4 डे,
Right.
5th डे पे नॉर्मली हम ट्रांसफर करते हैं। तो 5 दिन तक उस एम्ब्रियो को तुम
लैब में
संभालो।
रहना है, उसे संभालो।
अब उस समय में जब हमको थोड़ा सा भी फ्लूइड ज्यादा चला जाता है तो बेबी नॉर्मली लाइफ में डेथ होने की लग जाती है।
अच्छा।
आईवी फ्लूइड जब देते हैं ना,
Right,
हम
right.
ड्रॉप काउंट करते हैं,
Right.
ड्रॉप 2 ड्रॉप।
Right, right.
यू डोंट गिव इट कि 100 ml per hour.
राइट।
सो यू जस्ट इमेजिन इन दिस
उस केस में क्या है?
सो इसके लिए जो गैजेट्स आते हैं ना वो कॉस्टली आते हैं थोड़े, क्योंकि अभी इतना यूसेज नहीं है, वॉल्यूम नहीं है। तो एक फॉर एग्जांपल एक है जिल्ट्रिक्स करके होता है। व्हाट इट डज इट मॉनिटर्स द टेम्परेचर ऑन ए रियल टाइम बेसिस
ऑफ द एम्ब्रियो।
ऑफ द एम्ब्रियो की जो चेंबर है।
राइट।
नाउ यू कैन ऑल्सो डू इट बाई चेकिंग इट थ्रू समथिंग एवरी आवर।
हाँ.
नाउ अगर वो आधे घंटे तक टेम्परेचर ठीक नहीं रहा,
हाँ. तो वो डेथ।
तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन टू द
Yeah.
क्वालिटी ऑफ एम्ब्रियो,
राइट।
बिकॉज देयर इज नो अदर मीन। So only thing you can provide round the clock, real time. If anything is there, then and there alarm and correct it. So how do you correct it? We change the embryo from, we keep a backup incubators and others.
Right.
उसमें डाल देते हैं फटाक से.
Right.
अगर कभी आता है तो प्रॉब्लम. बट अगर हमें पता ही नहीं चला
तो फिर कैसे क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं.
एम्ब्रियो की तो कोई आवाज नहीं हो, चिल्लाने वाला नहीं है.
Right.
You know?
Right.
So basically, technology and the people of embryology who understands this technology.
Right. And these people are trained. Is there a different line of let's say?
That's what I was saying. These embryologists are again trained भी हैं from a good institutes and from a below average institute.
अच्छा.
Majority of embryologists which I've seen are not there what we should have
In India.
in India.
Okay.
That's one branch which I feel is most difficult. तो हमारे जैसे embryologist हैं, they keep training heavily with the support of our Middle Eastern European team.
Right.
They come down on the job. We have a full-time embryologist from France, very
Yeah.
well-known lady.
Yeah.
2 to 3 weeks every month she is in India,
Wow. Okay.
correcting things,
Right. Training them
our
and
own people.
Yeah.
And what we have seen is a significant difference in our results. Outcomes because of 2-3 things. One is stimulation protocols, which
Yeah.
injections when you're giving.
Yeah.
That's at the doctor level.
Yeah.
What drug, when it has to be given, how it should be monitored around the clock. And second is the embryology level when it happens.
Wow.
These are the two
No,
things.
this is so intricate, Dr. Somesh, जो आपने समझाया भी है. You've gone into the depths of all aspects, and I'm sure this is wonderful information for viewers, because as you rightly said, IVF मतलब still is a, while it's becoming mainstreamish, but still is a higher level concept. कई बार कई लोगों को इतना पता ही नहीं होता है. And a lot of people educate themselves through Google.
Correct.
Right? And I think most doctors, at least I have met, they have like, ये Google से इतना मत पढ़ो, Google आपको mislead भी कर सकता है, कभी information गलत भी हो सकती है. But I think this is so delicate, जो आपने समझाया कि lab, embryo, embryologist, reaction time will have a direct impact on the bearing on the outcomes, right?
Yep.
So this is wonderful. You talked about some treatment options, right? तो treatment options में एक तो आपने बताया जो consultation हुआ, और naturally अगर advice base पे कुछ था वो हो गया तो ठीक है. Otherwise line of treatments within let's say assisted procedures क्या क्या रहते हैं?
So broadly speaking, there are two. Right? On the female side, when you say.
Yeah.
Male side में और भी है, पहले female के बता
Let's come to the yeah.
So female में एक है IUI, which is normal. It in a very crude language. In IUI में आप male का sperm, female is completely all right.
Okay.
Eggs भी ठीक है, वहाँ पे sperms भी ठीक है, दोनों के check के सब कुछ ठीक है, but हो नहीं रहा है naturally. So then what you do is, as a step one, it's a very simple process. You take out the sperms, you take the sperms from the male donor partner, and you clean it up in the embryology lab.
Okay.
Correct it right, and from them the best moving, best quality sperms you pick it up.
Right.
And pick those sperms, and then artificially push it at the right time, which is at that time of ovulation of ladies.
Correct.
On in between the cycle.
Right.
That time you go and you push it with the help of a
Precision.
a pipette into the mother's uterus.
Okay.
So that's a very simple one.
Right.
It's as close to as a natural way of doing it.
Understood. So this is the first option.
Correct. So
Easiest probably.
Easiest.
Yeah.
Normally 10 to 15% of the cases get resolved with this.
Through this technique.
And that's what we have seen it.
Okay.
Right? You can try it out 1 or 2 times.
Right.
For the ease of it, and it also depends, not every time.
Yeah.
But this is one of the easiest options.
So this is one option.
Second option, which I just explained, where you give stimulation injections.
Yeah.
Based on your need.
Yeah.
Each person is different, what drugs, what all. But you give it for 10 days,
Yeah.
and then you go through egg भी इसके थ्रू निकालने पड़ते हैं और sperm भी.
And then
you have to do it
fertilization and embryo and
yeah. Then you have to go to the embryology lab for doing embryo, and then day 5 में transfer कर देते हैं.
Understood.
That's in the normal way, which is
Understood.
there. These are the two on the female side.
Right.
On the male side of it,
Right.
जब sperm के issues हो रहे होते हैं, ये एक अलग चीज है जिसके लिए मेरे हिसाब से again आज की डेट में होता क्या है कि जो male reasons for infertility हैं, एक बड़ी वास्ट फील्ड है, लेकिन अभी भी ये फील्ड अनलाइक द फीमेल साइड इज अंडर द अम्ब्रेला ऑफ यूरोलॉजिस्ट व्हिच इज अ किडनी स्पेशलिस्ट.
वो तो डिफरेंट
बिकॉज उन्हीं की ट्रेनिंग होती है.
राइट.
अब वो ट्रेनिंग जो हो रही है ना, यू जस्ट इमेजिन, मेरा एज अ डॉक्टर माई 99% क्लिनिकली ऑल्सो एज अ यूरोलॉजिस्ट और मेरा फाइनेंशियली जिससे मेरे को बिजनेस आता है
वो भी
क्योंकि
यूरोलॉजिस्ट है, हाँ।
वो यूरोलॉजिस्ट का जो बिजनेस है उसमें क्लिनिकली भी और जिससे मेरे को सबसे ज्यादा पैसे
Financially
बनते
भी,
हैं,
हाँ।
वो सारे दूसरे प्रोसीजर्स हैं।
करेक्ट।
ये जो आईवीएफ का इनफर्टिलिटी इशू है, ये इतना छोटा सेगमेंट है
हाँ।
जिसमें कोई भी यूरोलॉजिस्ट
हाँ,
अच्छी तरह अपने आप को ट्रेन नहीं
इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहता अपने, क्योंकि 99% काम कुछ और है।
और हमारी ट्रेनिंग के दौरान भी एज ए यूरोलॉजी एक छोटा सा हो सकता है, एक पेज का हो या एक पैराग्राफ हो या कुछ हो, बस इतना ही क्वेश्चन आता होगा।
ओहो।
सो यू जस्ट इमेजिन इसकी जो इंपॉर्टेंस इन माई ट्रेनिंग एज अ डॉक्टर इज नॉट सो
Is not that much. So how is it getting solved?
करेक्ट। सो नाउ हर जगह पे कुछ सेट ऑफ यूरोलॉजिस्ट हैं जो सिर्फ इसी में अपना काम करते रहते हैं।
Okay.
हाउएवर लाइक यूरोप नाउ दिस जो हमारे ये जो एमसीएच होके आ रहे हैं आईवीएफ स्पेशलिस्ट, इनको ये ट्रेनिंग दी जा रही है। सो दे आर बिकमिंग
For male fertility experts.
Correct.
हाँ,
So
जो यूरोलॉजिस्ट नहीं है।
जो यूरोलॉजिस्ट नहीं है,
Right.
बट दे आर आईवीएफ स्पेशलिस्ट।
Understood.
सो दे अंडरस्टैंड दिस डे एंड आउट।
Yeah.
सो डिफरेंस जो नॉर्मल आईवीएफ स्पेशलिस्ट है जो मैं बोल रहा था बार बार, और जो ये वाले हैं, यही डिफरेंस है कि जो एमसीएच हैं दे आर ट्रेन्ड फॉर मेल इनफर्टिलिटी आइडेंटिफिकेशन
Right.
एंड सेलेक्टिंग व्हाट नीड्स टू बी डन।
Right.
सो अगर हमने सही ढूंढ लिया
Right.
तो मेल में 2-3 चीजें जनरली होती हैं, जैसे कि अगर ब्लॉकेज आ गई स्पर्म को नीचे आने में, अल्ट्रासाउंड और टेस्ट जो करते हैं उनसे पता चल जाता है।
Okay.
दूसरा, देयर आर सर्टेन मेडिकेशंस व्हिच कैन बी गिवन टू इंक्रीज द राइट स्पर्म कमिंग आउट,
Okay.
हार्मोन लेवल पे जो होता है।
Understood.
तीसरा, अगर इस सब से नहीं होता है और लेस नंबर ऑफ स्पर्म्स आर देयर, then there is a surgical procedure which is again a daycare one, जिसमें होता क्या है कि they go into inside your testis area and they open up these ducts and cords, उसके अंदर sperm जो पड़े होते हैं उन sperm को एक एक करके पिक कर लेते हैं।
Okay.
So that because they are lying in between somewhere,
Right.
they are not able to ejaculate out,
Yeah.
they are not, so few sperms when it is
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
they are not coming out, so that
Yeah.
time you pick it up।
Right.
इसको मेडिकल टर्म में माइक्रो टीसा बोलते हैं।
Micro TISA.
हाँ, TESC।
Okay.
राइट। सो ये बेसिकली एक प्रोसीजर का नाम है जिससे उस स्पर्म को निकाला। सो दैट्स द वे दे पिक इट आउट दिस स्पर्म्स व्हिच आर देयर। बट इसके लिए भी फर्दर एज आई टोल्ड यू प्रॉपर चेक होना चाहिए कि भाई रीजन फॉर मेल इनफर्टिलिटी क्या है।
And male infertility भी तो एक high percentage contributor होगा overall, because I think
सिग्निफिकेंट
की
कंट्रीब्यूशन
मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग रहती है जनरली, यू नो, फीमेल्स आर मोर इन फोकस प्रॉब्ली। आई वाज रीडिंग 40-50% केसेस में मेल का इशू होता है।
मेल का इशू होता है टू आइडेंटिफाई हार्मोन्स,
राइट,
एंड दैट इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी सेलेक्टेड। बट प्लस पॉइंट क्या है ना कि मेल के हार्मोन जो स्पर्म्स है सिग्निफिकेंट नंबर है। सो मेल इनफर्टिलिटी इशू,
बट वो एग के लिए डिफरेंट है।
एग के लिए डिफरेंट,
हाँ, सो ये मतलब एक बायोलॉजिकल इम्बैलेंस है।
करेक्ट, सिग्निफिकेंट इम्बैलेंस है। बट यस, मेल इनफर्टिलिटी अगर एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं और सही समय पे एम्ब्रियोलॉजिस्ट के पास, डॉक्टर के पास चले जाते हैं, तो यू कैन इजीली विद अ लो क्वालिटी स्पर्म यू कैन स्टिल डू द नॉर्मल बर्थ थ्रू द ART रूट।
थ्रू ART रूट,
करेक्ट।
तो ये इसकी अवेयरनेस आपको लगता है इंडिया में कम है अभी?
सिग्निफिकेंटली कम है, बिकॉज एक टैबू भी चलता आ रहा है।
टैबू,
इट्स मोर ऑफ टैबू। आई थिंक देयर इफ अगर लोगों के अंदर से टैबू हट जाए और
तो एक्सेप्टेंस बढ़ जाएगा,
एक्सेप्टेंस बढ़ जाएगा और इट विल बी योर ओन बेबी, यू नो, बिकॉज यू आर एबल टू स्टिल स्पर्म काउंट कम होना वो चीज नहीं है, एज के साथ सबकी कम होती है।
करेक्ट,
बट इफ यू आर एबल टू पिक अप फ्यू स्पर्म्स,
दैट्स इट,
इट विल बी योर ओन हेल्दी चाइल्ड।
या सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द ट्रेंड्स ऑफ इनफर्टिलिटी, राइट? आई थिंक वी स्टार्टेड विद सेइंग दैट इंडिया में अब ये काफ़ी टोटल फर्टिलिटी रेट गिरता जा रहा है, प्रॉब्लम 15-20% कपल्स में दिख रही है और बढ़ रही है। सो व्हाट आर द की फैक्टर्स व्हिच आर लीडिंग टू इंक्रीज इन फर्टिलिटी इश्यूज स्पेशली इन इंडिया?
Oh, that's a really good question, because I think prevention is always much better.
Absolutely,
than, you know.
yeah.
So if you ask me, it's very simple.
Okay.
Number one, the reason for delayed is delayed marriages.
Okay.
Now if you see, पहले 16 साल में, 18 साल में, शायद 14-15 साल में हो जाती थी। फिर वो गवर्नमेंट का रूल आया कि 18 से पहले फीमेल कैन नॉट मैरी, राइट? नाउ बाई चांस एवरीवन ऑफ नाउ स्टडीइंग, ये सब पॉजिटिव भी हैं, बट ग्रेजुअली एवरीवन वांट्स टू बी सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट टू सम एक्सटेंट। पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन, ग्रेजुएशन करके जॉब करेंगी लेडीज, तब वो ट्राई करती हैं।
Probably urban centers में in 30s.
Correct.
Yeah, 30s has become the new 20s, right?
Now, yes. Now, important portion is what? On the ovary front, the studies have shown once you start crossing 30s, your ovary, so everything from the female point of view depends on your quality of ovary and eggs.
Okay.
Now, quality of ovary and eggs starts to very rapidly deteriorate from 30 years onwards.
Is there like a cliff?
Yes, from there it starts to drop like that.
30 year onwards.
Correct.
Okay.
So that has been a study which is there.
Right.
So each 1 or 2 year, you will suddenly find a fertility rate will dip from 30 to 35 to 40 to 45. Quality of egg goes down.
Right.
So even if you're able to conceive, miscarriages will increase. So one of the major reasons is delayed marriages.
Okay.
Second is definitely lifestyle which is there now.
Right.
Stressful life and all those which are happening. You know. So that is leading to it. Third one is your, health issues, your obesity issues,
alcohol,
your diabetes,
smoking.
Yes, obesity, diabetes, and all those which are now cropping up because of all these foods which are there, adulterated foods and others. So diabetes, ये सब चीजें बढ़ रही हैं, right? So these are few of the things, in my opinion, which are leading to this. And last is, I think, important is your pollution.
Pollution.
Significantly, environmental hazards.
Lead, I think, lead contributes a lot.
Lead, your environment pollution and everything. So these are, I think, some of the key things which are leading to it. And all of these are very relevant for India. Diabetes, we have become the center for diabetes.
But it's so intriguing that most of these items, let's say, of course, the first one is about an individual's choice probably. Other factors which are health, food, pollution, people talk about mental health, stress. I think it's very common across the biological functions of the body. If you see diabetes का stress से directly correlation है, obesity का diabetes से correlation है, right? Sugar content से cancer का correlation establish हो रहा है, that cancer probably cells require a certain amount of sugar or fat available. So I think most of these things probably are simple to understand, but probably are difficult to do for a lot of people.
There's one more thing, Jatin, in this is that two of the things which I spoke, lifestyle, stress and all, and health issues which are there. I think if you see our Indian eastern side of us, we were, family, joint family, right? Multiple people, extended families and others. We have moved to nuclear families now. All these stresses and all are more because we are becoming now individual, single nuclear family, single child.
Social fabric is reducing.
Yes, so that support system where we could depend is gradually going down.
Social media also, you're connected all the time. You're looking at work, stress, mobile. रात को सोने से पहले भी you're checking mails, etc. All of this is contributing to this, right?
Significant. I think that's where it is.
Yeah. So how do you see, currently IVF, I think, is $1 billion market in India already?
Absolutely, yes.
So what do you see is, let's say, the future of IVF? How do you at Art Fertility see the future of IVF in India? You said that probably the quality or the number of well-trained embryologists should probably go up. Adoption rates में आपको फर्क दिखाई दे रहा है?
So I'll tell you, one is demand जैसे जैसे बढ़ेगी, all these training on teaching will keep on improving.
और demand बढ़ रही है.
Correct, demand बढ़ रही है.
Demand बढ़ रही है.
See, 15 to 20% of couple, as a rough estimate today, needs some kind of assistance.
Okay, yeah.
They have fertility.
That's a very significant number.
It's a significant.
1 in 5.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. So now they need some kind of support. Now, जब इनकी support के multiple reasons of why they are not coming. Some is taboo related issues, affordability, accessibility, insurance penetration, वो सब चीजें हैं, financial issues वगैरह. So what is happening now, which I've seen in last 4-5 years, is that from the Western world and all of PE companies, they have started they have identified this problem. There's a math which has happened, there is an understanding which has happened, and they all see it that this is a segment which is going to be exploding
waiting to boom. It's set to boom, right?
So that's why PE is investing money into it. Now, moment money is being invested, what it does is it brings in funds for this vertical of healthcare to go up rapidly.
Awareness, accessibility.
Everything is increasing. So now more and more doctors are choosing this as a only specialty. Mainstream and not doing any other things.
Side gig.
Embryologists are getting trained, and there are more and more embryologists who are joining in. I can see every vertical of healthcare now is using this as a mainstream and knows that this will become a super mainstream in coming months. So first of all, there is a demand and supply gap.
Yeah.
Everyone has identified there is a fund which is getting invested into it. So what I can see is that gradually you will see that this $1 billion in maybe 4 to 5 years, it should at least become 3x or 4x minimum. So that's the number which we feel should be there. And we can already see that there are good quality chains which are coming up. There is PE-backed good chains which have come up. So many names which keep hearing.
No, absolutely. So I think when we look at it, and we at Savin do this, right? So I think from our perspective, we've been studying the market and the trends. And as you clearly said, and it's economics, right? So there is a demand and supply.
Correct.
Both exist probably.
Correct.
But now demand is going up and awareness levels are going up. And I think urbanization definitely is happening. Premiumization bhi ho rahi hai India mein. If you see, everything is becoming more premium because we are growing as a country.
Correct.
So when we are growing as a country, तो लोगों की aspiration और उनका probably education level, awareness level, family का acceptance level ये सब बढ़ रहा है. And then they probably go for such choices, right? And I think you talked about accessibility and affordability. Insurance में cover नहीं होते, typically setups, right?
Yes.
So I think that and ticket size कितना रहता है?
So Jatin, ticket size इसका है, it ranges from center to center.
Yeah.
It ranges.
But average अगर आप बताएं, let's say for the market, मैं सिर्फ 8 का नहीं पूछ रहा.
1.5 lakh to 3 है.
Yeah.
That's what the thing is. The higher end spectrum it will go to 3.
Yeah.
Lower end it will come down to 1.5 lakh. Whatever they may say. Some.
इसमें कोई quackery या मतलब let's say less accomplished ecosystem भी क्या इंडिया में चल रहा है आपके हिसाब से?
वो significant ecosystem started तो वैसे ही हुआ था less important.
क्योंकि इंडिया में वो करना कई बार
Yes, चल रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा, उसमें काफी कुछ होते हैं, लेकिन आई थिंक विद द ART law now being there, right?
जो 2 साल पहले आया.
They're pushing. It needs to become tightened.
Yeah.
1.4 billion we have spread across, so it is taking time, but I think that is there. Now that will definitely help to make sure that the quackery levels significantly zero
comes down or zero. So I think let's say what we are witnessing is जो accessibility है, जो आपने ticket size बताया, अब अगर इंडिया के context में आप 2 लाख या 3 लाख का ट्रीटमेंट देखते हैं, तो किसी भी इंसान के लिए वो इकट्ठा ट्रीटमेंट देने का पैसा शायद कई बार डिफिकल्ट हो सकता है.
Correct.
It can become a reason for people not to access. So there is a financial stress, there is an emotional stress, and then there is this requirement of paying probably all the amount upfront. अब इंडिया में अर्बन सेंटर्स में भी जो पर कैपिटा इनकम है उस पर अगर हम नहीं जाएं, वो तो खैर काफ़ी कम है हमारा, बट अर्बन सेंटर्स की मैं अगर बात करूं फॉर एग्जांपल, हालांकि ये प्रॉब्लम तो टियर 1 टियर 2 में भी होगी, बट अर्बन सेंटर्स में भी ऑब्वियसली 2-3 लाख इकट्ठा खर्चना किसी भी इंसान के लिए डिफिकल्ट हो सकता है. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज वेयर लेट्स से व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड एट Savin डज कम इनटू प्ले, क्योंकि वी अलाउ पीपल टू स्प्लिट दिस कॉस्ट इनटू इजी EMIs. उसमें ये एक्सेसिबिलिटी और अफोर्डेबिलिटी की प्रॉब्लम थोड़ी कम हो सकती है.
बिल्कुल जतिन, जस्ट टू टच एंड फर्दर टेल यू ऑन दैट, बाय एंड लार्ज हम देखते हैं मार्केट में अर्बन इसमें भी ये जो प्रॉब्लम है ये यंग कपल्स में आएगी. 30-35, राइट? उस एज में तुम अपना प्रोफेशनल कैरियर भी बिल्ड कर रहे हो, राइट? तो तुम्हारी जो इनकम उस समय में होती है ना,
उतनी
वो 40-50 हजार 60 हजार 60,000 एवरेज, पर मंथ आई एम टॉकिंग 7 to 10 lakhs की per annum is your income normally, right? Now at that income, if you want to choose a good center, you are going to spend somewhere 2.5 to 3 lakh rupees.
Correct.
Now
कहाँ से खर्चेंगे वो?
Where to spend? Upfront from the pocket. Insurance, you are not going to get it.
Correct.
So then how will you spend this money out? Then what they end up doing, they end up going to an quackery kind of a center, because this is a very important.
No, this is a deep point.
This is a and this is a time frame. You can't wait for the 40 years to come when you have more money, because by then you're gone. So now you are forced to do that. Then you don't have money, so you go to a quackery, or you do a treatment which is not, like for example you need IVF, but you have wasted your 1 year 2 year trying IUI, because you can only afford,
because you can only afford that 8, 10, 20,000.
But it's a significant money.
No, this is such a deep point.
So that is why I think people like Savin, that's why before this when you came, we all joined, I felt this is such an important thing, where a customer can choose the right treatment.
Correct.
And can stagger their cost over good 10 to 12 months or 14 months, and they can actually try out the best
and
thing.
Avail the best treatment.
Correct.
This is such deep, right? Because let's say the point that you made, that because I don't have money, either I will delay my treatment or I may try and settle for a suboptimal treatment, जो मैं कर भी रहा हूँ उसका शायद पैसा मेरे को कम लग रहा है बट उसका आउटकम नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज सक्सेस रेट उस पर 10% है. सो आई थिंक दिस इज फंडामेंटल एंड वी प्रॉबली बिलीव दैट इंडिया में यंग लोग अगर ये 20% प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं और इंडिया में अगर ये ग्रोथ इस सेगमेंट की हो ही रही है, सो ऑन डिमांड क्रेडिट जब मिल जाता है, अगर आपको अपनी डिमांड पे ट्रांसपेरेंट और रिस्पॉन्सिबल क्रेडिट अगर मिल जाता है, उससे लोगों का चॉइस आसान हो जाएगा और वो अपने मतलब का चॉइस कर सकते हैं और एक राइट डिसीजन ले सकते हैं शायद, राइट. बट आई थिंक दिस इज फंडामेंटली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड थैंक यू फॉर ब्रिंगिंग दिस पॉइंट कि ये क्वैकरी को भी कम करेगा.
करेक्ट.
क्योंकि जो एस्टैब्लिश सेंटर्स हैं, जैसे आपने कहा कि आर्ट फर्टिलिटी पे नॉट ओनली आर यू डूइंग प्रोटोकॉल रिसर्च विद इन इंडिया, you're also getting best practices from abroad. जैसे आपने कहा फ्रांस से an embryologist comes for 2 to 3 weeks every month.
Yep.
Plus you are, let's say, juxtaposing that information with India protocol, and that will cost money.
Yep.
I mean,
on top of that, even embryology lab, you know.
Yeah, quality of lab.
ये lab बनाई just 3 years back, not very old. We spent total हमारा सेंटर बनने के लिए हमें लगे 5 to 6 year.
वो 25-30 लाख में भी शायद कोई बना लेता.
लोग 50 लाख में भी बना लेते.
Exactly.
And when I joined, because I joined 2 years back,
yeah,
I was told we have spent huge. And I felt so initially, but let me tell you, it was worth a spend.
Worth the spend. Yeah.
Because you cannot do at 50 lakh what you can do at this amount. So this needs to be spent. Now, if someone like ART has spent so much money,
per center,
and majority of this spend has gone in embryology lab.
Yeah, because that's the core. That's where the success or failure will get decided.
Correct.
Yeah.
Now, if you've got those, some amount of cost will increase.
Has to be. Yeah.
But the results will be super.
Absolutely.
Transparency, trust, outcomes, all will improve.
No, absolutely.
And people like Savin then when come in as a customer, I'm happy to see ki let me go to the best.
Correct.
Because now I can afford it over a period of time.
Yeah.
So that's where.
No, I think this is so beautiful because let's say, and we talk about this very often, in India, you can buy ACs on EMIs.
Correct.
You buy your cars on EMIs.
Correct.
You buy your homes on EMIs. You can buy furniture on EMIs.
Yep.
Why can't you take care of your health on EMIs? Which is the most important thing probably, right? आप फर्नीचर का क्या करोगे अगर आपको सिर्फ उस पे लेटना ही है, you know? And we talk about this often, but again, I think this is so nice to hear also from people like you. But I think coming back to the problem of fertility, and हमने उसके बारे में बताया कि कुछ simple से points लगते हैं, let's say. So is there a generic guidance that you can give to people, broad guidance if you were to, young couples listening to us, what are the top 5 things you will tell them कि boss ये आप please करिए, so that you probably can take the best care of yourself to the extent possible.
देखो एक लाइफस्टाइल तो एक बेसिक चीज है, वो अदरवाइज भी टेक केयर करनी चाहिए.
दैट्स वन.
नॉट ओनली फॉर फर्टिलिटी,
क्योंकि उसके और भी फायदे होंगे आप.
राइट. सो वो एक तो है ही लाइफस्टाइल हैबिट्स का. आई थिंक यंग गर्ल्स हु आर परस्यूइंग देयर करियर, इन द पास्ट दे हैड टू चूज बिटवीन द टू, कि मैं अब फैमिली लाइफ में जाऊं या मैं अपना प्रोफेशनल करियर देखूं. आई थिंक विद दिस फर्टिलिटी का जो एग प्रिजर्वेशन का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, which is another thing which is there. So see, your egg quality is better below 30.
Okay.
Leave alone the number of eggs. So I strongly feel preserving your egg at a right age should be done. That gives 2 things. One is good quality egg is preserved, so your baby will always be good quality one whenever you want it. Second,
it frees your mind.
Frees your mind to take care of your career path. Then you can decide whether you want to be mother at 35 or 40 once you have settled a little bit in your professional path.
Oh, this is wonderful. How much does this cost? Broadly.
Freezing doesn't cost you much. It costs you maybe 50,000, 60,000, and that also with saving, उस समय पे वो है तो 2, 3, 5 हजार का whatever time. Right. It's not but it's a value.
No, this is beautiful. Yeah, this is a wonderful point. Right.
So that is the most important to my mind. Freeze your egg at right age, and you have seen nowadays even celebrities who keep saying,
absolutely. But
irrespective of them, it's very, very important.
No, that's wonderful.
That needs to be done.
So lifestyle, making the decision at the right time.
Correct. And third I would suggest is that whenever you have to undergo a procedure, I think cost should, like we always do, you know,
Yeah.
whenever we select anything in a business and others, first we take care of quality and we tick box those, and for that quality,
You have to
then
pay a
we look
certain
for
cost.
then we look
Yeah.
for pricing.
Yeah,
So we should not do vice versa.
the reverse.
We should
Yeah.
not first go to a center which is saying we'll do the IVF at 50,000.
Yeah.
You'll see behind an auto
See,
looking
both of us said 50,000.
Correct.
Because we all have read those advertisements
Correct.
behind autos.
It is false.
Yeah.
You know, we all have to understand
Yeah.
if you want the right thing, it has some price.
Right.
I understand if someone says 5 lakh rupees, 6
Yeah.
lakh rupees may not be a right thing,
Right.
but it will cost you. So
Yeah.
look for a right center,
Yeah.
right doctor, and then good part is people like Savian can come in and help
Yeah.
you out with it. Even
Yeah.
if your burden is there on finances.
Yeah.
When, as you rightly said, when you can buy a television, buy
Yeah.
a car on EMI,
Yeah.
and other, I think it's more important to buy your, you know, fertility
Yes.
at a similar
Health,
kind of
fertility.
insurance. You know?
No, absolutely. I think on this note, this is such an important advice, and I especially like the part of the second part, freedom, because you talked about, let's say, you know, females making that choice. I think society में वो choice का हक सबको है, and I think it's great that India is empowering people, and both the genders are very important.
Oh, yeah.
But it's just that you can make the decision at the time you want to make the decision, or medical science today has advanced to levels which allow you, enable you to make that choice. So I think it's extremely nice to hear these detailed views, Dr. Somesh, and I think आपने इतना डिटेल में पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट यू नो, आपने तो इकोनॉमिक्स भी बताया कि मतलब एक सेंटर को लॉन्च करने में कितने पैसे लगे, बट यू टॉक्ड अबाउट द क्वालिटी, द लैब एस्पेक्ट, मुझे काफ़ी वो इंट्रीगिंग लगा, वो लैब पे जैसे मेरा काफ़ी ध्यान था, लैब में ऐसा क्या होता है, बट यू एक्सप्लेन मल्टीपल इंक्यूबेटर्स और कैसे आप उसको चॉइस.
You should come down one of the days. I will show you the lab. How
Yeah, I
it
would
is
love to.
so loving, you know,
Yeah.
to see that. And I always feel when I see embryo पड़ा हुआ
One day life.
one day का बेबी है.
Yeah.
कभी कभी मैं सोचता हूँ जतिन की वो जो एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स करते हैं ना कि किस टाइम पे कब बेबी बॉर्न हुआ, मे बी उनकी प्रेडिक्शंस मच बेटर हो जाएंगी कि
अगर उस पे ध्यान
एम्ब्रियो पे ज्यादा ध्यान दे. 9 months पहले का टाइमिंग बता रहे हैं ना कि कब वो एम्ब्रियो बना. दैट कैन बी टू द पॉइंट वी कैन टेल व्हेन वाज द एम्ब्रियो.
यस यस यस, एंड आई थिंक अभी काफ़ी इस बारे में भी बात हो रही है कि इंडिया में मेडिकल टूरिज्म भी आईवीएफ का बढ़ना के एक्सपेक्टेशन है, because I think Heal in India initiative is also coming, and you know the government is trying to talk about the fact that India has world-class healthcare, and probably that's also why a lot of private equity money is going, because people in the Western world may find it more affordable, accessible, cheaper to avail high-quality treatment, जैसे आपने कहा. So I think it's time for, let's say, people to discover their best selves. And also with regards to fertility, and people like Art Fertility are doing a fantastic job to bring the best of both the worlds together, India as well as, you know, global.
जतिन, you know, हमारी जो साइकिल्स हैं उसकी 15% are still coming from the external part, which is
medical tourism. Yeah,
so it's coming.
Yeah.
And you know, another thing which is important, which I forgot to tell you, is about genetics. Very very important. I think another aspect which people like Savin can help us is that I've seen many a times our couples do not opt for these genetic testing primarily due to significant financial burden. Each embryo would cost around 10,000 rupees, right? So, and you have to actually test for 3, 4 normally.
So 50-60K
another big money for a person who, right? So now it is very critical that our genetic testing wherever needed should be done. It will improve the outcome, number one. Second, it also reduces the burden on the genetic problems which a newborn baby can have.
Right.
And you have heard of this blood disorder called thalassemia, जिसमें थोड़े दिनों में बच्चे को खून चढ़ाना पड़ता है, right? Big thing.
Yeah.
Now, with the help of genetics and with the help of IVF, let's say a sibling is there, a person is there, right? You can actually, with the help of mother and father and right mix का अगर embryo डालें, the newborn
will not have it.
No, leave not have it. Thalassemia के लिए जो चाहिए ठीक करने के लिए, it will save the first child for lifelong.
Okay.
Which means जो ब्लड डिसऑर्डर चढ़ना है उसको ठीक करने के लिए जो जीन्स चाहिए,
राइट,
यू कैन डेवलप इट इनटू द सेकंड बेबी,
राइट,
एंड उससे निकाल के
राइट,
इसमें डालोगे तो इसको थैलेसीमिया की प्रॉब्लम can be taken care.
Wow.
So it's like it's a
miracle.
Yes,
Yeah.
and that is what ART can provide. It's just not baby, it is healthy baby, and also lot of diseases which can be cured through this.
So genetically, diseases which are genetically transmitted can be controlled or
Yes, over a period of time,
over a
all
period
that.
of time.
Like thalassemia, I'm telling you, that's what they do. They
Yeah.
make a baby with that HLA typing and all
Yeah,
those
yeah,
which
yeah.
are important for this.
Yeah.
So that is what it does.
No, this is wonderful, Dr. Sumesh. I think the kind of insights we have got through this talk, I'm sure all our viewers will be extremely, let's say, enriched with all this information. And more importantly, I think we have touched upon topics which are being talked about across, right, in the country. And I think people will be able to make better decisions basis the insights that you've given. So hats off to the work that you guys are doing at Art Fertility, and it's wonderful to partner with people like you and to hear about the insights as to how you are trying to make the world a better place, especially for those who are trying to solve the fertility problem. I think Art Fertility is the place that you must check out, and thank you very much. And again, it was lovely to have you on the show.
Thank you, Jitin, and thank you, Sevin. I think it's very, very important for all of us. And thank you once again. It really, from a customer's point of view, I'm really, really happy, and thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Pleasure. Thank you.